Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Zoho CRM custom modules and fields, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the setup section located in the top right corner of the screen. Select modules under the customization category. Choose the specific module you want to backup from the list displayed. Click on the More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots. From the drop-down menu, select Export. In the export settings, choose the fields you wish to include in your backup. Make sure to select the appropriate format for your export, such as CSV or Excel. Once you have made your selections, click on the Export button. The file will be generated and downloaded to your device. Next, if you have custom fields, return to the module settings. Click on the Fields option to view all custom fields associated with the module. Review each custom field to ensure you have all necessary information. To document these fields, take screenshots or create a separate document outlining their details. This includes field type, validation rules, and any default values set. If you are using multiple modules, repeat the export process for each one. After backing up your custom modules and fields, store the files securely. Consider using a cloud storage solution for easy access and additional security. Always maintain regular backups to prevent data loss in the future. Review your backup files periodically to ensure they are complete and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.